Ready?
Yeah.
Pre-open?
No. Oh. She's already starting, you guys. I'm coming as fast as I can. Oh, wait. Oh, no.
Pre-opening. There. It's done.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have this O-Cedar. We have the original O-Cedar mop. I am in a rush today, you guys. My wife wants to open this and use this.
You want me to go get it?
Yeah, you can get the old one. My wife is in a rush right now, okay? She wants to hurry up and use this thing. And I am under pressure, a lot of pressure. So right now, I just give you the basics. This is different from the old one because it separates the dirty water and your clean water. This is about 50 bucks. I will put a link in the description. Here is the old one. The old one, you're basically mixing everything. The new one, it's right here. It's big and they have a little port here. This is add-in water. They didn't leave you directions. All right, you guys, we have a stick. This time the mop head is blue. I don't know why, but it's blue. The other one is plain white. We're rushing, you guys. We are rushing. We're getting the job done. And this is what y'all want anyway. Y'all tired of my long reviews. That's what some people say. You lift this up so the water could go inside. You close it to stop the water. So all of this will be clean water. When you see the hole on this side, when you wring the mop out or when you spin the mop, the water goes on the inside of the bucket. So you will always have clean water. You cannot mess this up. All right, let's go ahead, fill it up, and y'all can see our dirty floor. And she's embarrassed right now, but the stick on our other mop broke. So that's why we have the dirty floor. She is putting a She is putting a bleach tablet inside.
I put two. I want to put one.
You know you can lift up on the bottom right here. It should come out this hole. All right, you guys, we're putting water inside right now. We have it closed. I don't really say how much water to add, but we're just gonna put the maximum amount that we can put in. We did not open the part yet for the water, so she's about to do the honors. Now the water is going in. And I'm not sure if we're supposed to stop how much water goes in. All right, you guys, and I'm gonna show you why this mop bucket is the best to get, because before you used to dump your water back, well, dump your mop head back. So you see how dirty that water is? A lot of dirty water, you guys. So you used to re-clean your floor with the same dirty water. So now you empty it and we still have some clean water inside. So you put it back on and keep it moving and you still have clean water. All right. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.